Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ajra Tutorial. Today we will see 100 words starting with letter G. Garden, garage, grass, gas, gate, gentle, generous, gesture, gift, giggle, girl, give, glad, glance, global, glory, blue, gold, God, gold, good, goose, govern, grace, great, graduate, grain, grant, grab, grateful, gravity, great, green, greet, grief, grill, grief, grow, guard, gaze, guide, guilty, gush, gin, gaze, gentleman, gloom, gossip, gratitude, guarantee. Geography, gear, glider, go, gain, game, garnish, glamour, gust, glacier, groom, grind, grow, gourmet, cable, galaxy, garland, generate, gadget, glitter, goblin, genius, goalkeeper, glow, gush, gratify, gun, gut, calorie, Google, gel, gross, ghee, god, gad, gent, general, grey, grapes, garlic, garbage, glory, waiting, gymnastic, guy, Goa, gain, gather, gateway. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.